started the expansion chapter 3.1. I have completed up to 3.1 20th main. So now I am starting from the 21st main. Here the question is, find the coefficient of x square and x in the product of x minus 3, x plus 7 into x minus 4. So here we have to observe this expression carefully. Here it is in the form of x plus a, x plus b into x plus c. So that we have to write the first identity, that is, as we know that the identity x plus a, x plus b into x plus c is equal to x cube plus a plus b plus c whole x square plus ab plus bc plus ca into x plus abc. So this is what the identity. So according to this, just we have to compare the given expression with this identity, that is x plus a into x plus b into x plus c. So by observing this, we have to find the coefficient of x square and x in the given expression. So here by comparing we will get that, we will notice that the value of a is nothing but minus 3. So in this question the value of a is minus 3 and the value of b is plus 7. b is equal to 7 and as well as c is equal to minus 4. So these are the values of a, b and c. So by comparing this expression we will get that what is the coefficient of x square. So coefficient of x square is a plus b plus c. So that is what we have to find, the coefficient of x square. So that coefficient of x square is a plus b plus c. So in the given expression, what is the coefficient of x square? Then a plus b plus c. What is the value of a? Minus 3. b is plus 7. Again c is minus 4. This is, then what we will get? Minus 3 minus 4 is minus 7. Again plus 7. So answer is 0. Thus the coefficient of x square given in the given expression is 0. Same, what is the coefficient of x then? Coefficient of x. What is the coefficient of x? Here ab plus bc plus c. That is, what is the value of a, b? We have to substitute. A is minus 3 into b is 7 plus again b is 7 into c is minus 4 plus again c is minus 4 into a is minus 3. So thus we will get minus 3 into 7 minus 21 plus 7 into minus 4 minus 28 minus 4 into minus 3 plus 12. So thus we will get minus 21 minus 28, that is minus 49 plus 12. So that answer is minus 37. This is the coefficient. The next question is 22nd question, that is, if a square plus 4a plus x is equal to a plus 2 whole square, then find the value of x. So here we have to find the value of x in this from this equation. So first we have to write given a square plus 4a plus x is equal to a plus 2 whole square. And that here we can write the expansion of this. This is in the form of a plus b whole square. So that what identity is what? A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. This is what we know the identity. So it is in the form of a plus b whole square. So I am writing this expansion here. So a square, as it is we have to write this one, a square plus 4a plus x is equal to a plus 2 whole square. Just value of a is a again. What is the value of b? 2. That we have to write. That is a square plus 2ab. 2 into again value of b is 2a plus b square is 2 square. Thus we have a square plus 4a plus 4. So here in the LHS we will get that a square plus 4a plus x. So we can observe the equation carefully. A square and a square are the like terms. Again the same. 4a and 4a are the like terms, so these will get cancelled. So then we will get the answer x is equal to 4. So this is the value of x. Thank you. Plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Evaluate the following. So in that, first one is 101 square. As the given the particular identity that is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we have to use this identity. So before using this identity, we have to write the given number in terms of a plus b whole square. Here the number is 101. So we can split it and write as 100 plus 1 whole square. So now it is in the form of a plus b whole square. So write the identity now. Here what? A plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So as it is same as a plus b whole square. What is the value of a? 100 plus b is 1. Just you have to substitute the value of a as 100 and the value of b as 1. So then we will be having a square, that is 100 square plus 2 into 2ab, nothing but 2 into a into b. 2 into 100 into 1 plus again 1 square. So then we will be having, what is 100 square? 100 square is 10,000. So then plus 2 into 100 into 1 is 200 again plus 1 square is 1. So thus by adding these values we will get 10,201. So this is the value of the 101 square. This 23 third problem, first one. Then in the same way you have to solve the second one and third one, that is 1003 whole square, and the third one is 10.2 whole square. That's, you can split this 1003 whole square as 1000 plus 3 whole square. Again the same method you can follow. And the third one is 10.2 is there. You can split it as 10 plus 0.2. Again you can solve in the same way. Okay. 24, that is use a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. Evaluate the following. That is, the first one is 99 whole square. As previous question we did with the a plus b whole square, here we have to use the identity a minus b whole square. So that is the given number we have to write in terms of a minus b whole square. So how we can split this one? So 99 is very nearer to 100. So we can write this one as 100. So we have to use the minus. So that 100 minus 1 whole square is nothing but 99 only. So we have to split like this. So 100 minus 1 whole square. So now we have to use this identity. What is that? Again one more time you write that identity. A minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So that, what is a value of a here? 100. Value of b is 1. So that 100 minus 1 whole square is equal to 100 square minus 2 into 100 into b value is 1 plus again the b value is 1, that is 1 square. So what is the value of 100 square? 10,000 again plus minus 2 into 100 into 1 is 200. So plus 1. So that is 1000 plus 1 is 1000. 10,000 plus 1 is 10,000. 1 minus 200, that is 9,801. So this is the answer. For the second and third one, that is 997 whole square. Third one is 9.8 whole square. So you can split this 997 whole square is equal as a 1000 minus 3. So then we will get 997, and 9.8 you can split it as 10 minus 0.2. Then we can use the same following step and we can solve. Okay. Using suitable identities, evaluate the following. That first one is 103 whole cube. In the previous question, that is 101 whole square, that is whole square was there, but here 103 whole cube. So here we have to use suitable, they didn't given any identity here, we only should observe and we have to use the suitable identity. So now it is 103 whole cube is there. So in the like this one identity is there, before that we have to split this one. Either we can use a minus b whole cube or we can use a plus b whole cube. Here I am taking a plus b whole cube. So that we can write this one as 100 plus 3 whole cube. So now it is in the form of a plus b whole cube. What is a plus b whole cube? First we have to write that one. We know that a plus b whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. So by this identity we have to use here. So what is the value of a then? 100. Right? 100 below the a plus b is 3. 100 plus 3 whole cube is equal to a is 100 cube plus b is 3 cube plus 3 into 3ab nothing but 3 into a into b. 3a is what? 100 into b is 3 again into bracket. A is what? 100 plus 3. Observe carefully, here I am using a plus b whole square, a plus b whole cube. Just you have to substitute the value of a as 100 and the value of b as 3. Thus we have like this. So now we have to simplify this one. 100 whole cube. What is the value of 100 whole cube? That is, here we have 2 zeros in its cube. We will be having 6 zeros. That is 100 cube is 10 lakh plus 3 cube is 27 plus 3 into 100 into 3 900 into 103 100 plus 3 is 103. So 10 lakh plus 27. What is 900 into 103? That is 927 2 zeros answer. So thus by adding these all values we will get 10 lakh 92,727 is the answer. So same like this you do the remaining two problems. Pause not up. Clearly how to solve the remaining two problems, that is 99 whole cube and second one is 10.1 whole cube. Here you can split this one as 90 plus 9 or we can split this one as 100 minus 1. If you split it as 90 plus 9 then we have to use a plus b whole cube. If you split this one as 100 minus 1 then you have to use a minus b whole cube. Same way 10.1 whole cube we can split as 10 plus 0.1 whole cube and you have to solve these problems.